Today on Crypto Lion, we'll be talking about how Dogecoin is going to become extremely bullish in the days to come. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. In recent weeks, Dogecoin had been searching for a direction without fundamental news to drive the price. It's been established over time that the Dogecoin market is greatly influenced by social media sentiments and comments from Elon Musk, who continues to speak out in favor of its development and adoption. The meme coin has taken off this year as it continues to gain more popularity on social media. The price reached an all-time high of 74 cents on May 8th, which represents about a 15,000% gain from the start of the year. However, the price fell as a response to the appearance of Elon Musk on SNL, where he referred to Dogecoin as a hustle. The price continued to fall as the larger crypto market experienced a sell-off, sliding to 25 cents on May 23rd, then teased up to 44 cents on June 2nd, but was not able to hold the gains, and it progressively dropped back to 16 cents on June 22nd. The coin rebounded to 29 cents on June 25th, but it declined over the following month, going back to 16 cents on July 20th. The price was ranging going into August, with Dogecoin consolidating between 19 and 21 cents until it broke out to 25 cents on August 7th. On July 20th, crypto markets rose on a short squeeze on Bitcoin and the bullish sentiment after comments made by Jack Dorsey, Cathie Wood, and Elon Musk in a panel discussion at the B-Word conference, which was centered on how institutions can adopt cryptocurrencies. While talking about the future of Dogecoin, Musk reiterated his idea of upgrading Dogecoin to increase transaction rates and lower costs. There may be some merits in combining something like Ethereum and Dogecoin, he said. Musk revealed that he holds Ethereum as well as Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin agrees that there is potential for Dogecoin and Ethereum blockchains to work together. Buterin said in a recent podcast, "I think if we could have a secure Doge to Ethereum bridge, then that would be amazing. And then when Ethereum gets its scalability thing that works for Ethereum assets, you would be able to also trade wrapped Doge with extremely low transaction fees and very high speed as well." Charles Hoskinson, a co-founder of Ethereum and founder of the Cardano cryptocurrency, said on a podcast that it would be a lot of fun to work with Dogecoin. "I'm not averse to the idea of cleaning up the code base, but legitimately, however comes it would be 2 or 3 years of work." Dogecoin is based on the Litecoin blockchain, which is a fork or split from Bitcoin. Hoskinson added, "I hope that a compromise can be made where real developers come in and they start working on Doge, and they find a way to create some use and utility for it so it has a value floor and not collapse." He, however, sounded a note of caution on the price of Dogecoin, saying that there is a predatory distribution of the underlying asset. Over 90% of the coin is consolidated in less than 1% of the holders for Dogecoin at a very, very low price point. So they can sell at almost any price point and still make a profit. So if the price hits 50 cents, they become billionaires. And it's not like 20,000 people. It's probably less than 100 wallets that have this distribution. So there's this ticking time bomb that exists in Doge, that once the whales who are vested start selling, they can decide to keep selling and ride it all the way down to make a lot of profits regardless of what price they sell at. They're basically selling against the retail investors. On Monday, August 16th, the price of Dogecoin spiked by almost 16% to 35 cents after prominent celebrity fans gave it some praise over the weekend. Dogecoin has now surged almost 100% over the last month, growing higher than bigger coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This spike can be attributed partly to the recent buzz from billionaire investor Mark Cuban and Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Cuban said in an interview with CNBC that Dogecoin is a medium that can be used to acquire goods and services. He said the Doge community is the strongest when it comes to using it as a means of exchange. Tesla and SpaceX boss Elon Musk also tweeted in response to the article about Cuban's claims that he's been saying this for quite a while. Musk had been an ardent supporter of Dogecoin and its lighthearted, goofy community for quite a long time. Dogecoin price may recover a large portion of the gains achieved earlier in the day and finally close above the May's descending trendline. If that occurs, Doge has limited resistance up to the 50-day SMA at 26.2 cents, delivering a 40% profit from the current price. A rally beyond the moving average will be impeded by the June 25th high of 29.1 cents, but it would confirm a break in the persistent downtrend since the May high. The potential for a bullish outcome will disappear if the Dogecoin price logs a daily close below the June 22nd low of 15.2 cents, putting Doge investors at risk of a plunge to the January 29th high of 10 cents and a 34% loss from the June 22nd low. The April 23rd low of 13.5 cents is the only obstacle to the bearish payoff. Moreover, the loss would turn all the support levels into resistance, as a result, erecting an intimidating barrier for Dogecoin's price and dissolving aspirations for revisiting the May highs. Michael Kammerman, CEO of the brokerage Skilling, said that Dogecoin is appealing to investors because of its popularity and status on social media and with influencers. The resurgence in attention to the parity cryptocurrency may seem attractive to investors because of its volatility, for if the currency will ever have any intrinsic value, its scalability and security issues need to be addressed. Dogecoin is moved by headlines, tweets, corporate or celebrity endorsements, and while these are likely belittled by traditional investors, it is what draws the attention to cryptocurrencies. The masses understand headlines, endorsements, and tweets, and these masses will likely mature to become crypto enthusiasts who will begin to appreciate the movement for its more technical nuances. Kammerman believes that the main driver behind the popularity of Dogecoin is its online community, in addition to support from high-profile businessmen like Elon Musk. A founding partner at the Capital Markets Academy recently said that Dogecoin is obviously on an uptrend. He said in the short term, Dogecoin will try to go above the 50 cents mark. Its first major test will be passing the dollar mark, which from all indications could happen before the end of the year. Once this barrier is broken, the next aim will be $10. He added Dogecoin is driven by trading fundamentals and events such as celebrity endorsements and acceptance by major corporations. Both of these are clearly on the uptrend and therefore very predictable in 2021. When asked how high the price of Dogecoin could go, Mr. Kammerman said it's difficult to predict, but he does not believe it will overtake fiat money. He said, cryptocurrencies are here to stay, but I don't think they'll overtake fiat currencies. I think the traditional financial world will have to embrace the technologies that underpin cryptocurrencies. He believes that will start with the rise of central bank digital currencies, which are already on the rise and will likely continue to gain more and more attention in the coming years. He went on to say that although I cannot predict the direction of the market, I can say that the variables underpinning such run-ups in price will not be changed for the short term. Whether or not to invest in Dogecoin is a personal decision, and it should be based on how much speculative risk you're willing to take. At the moment, it's nearly impossible to place a fundamental value on Dogecoin with its infinite and quickly growing supply when compared to finite cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin that are far more decentralized. In the end, investing in Dogecoin is based mostly on conjecture, and that Dogecoin will continue to rise from social media trends like meme stocks and Wall Street bets, as well as Elon Musk's Twitter antics. There may be a chance that it could continue to grow as long as Bitcoin is in a bull market, but it is a risky chance to take. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.